Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. I was just making my oatmeal this morning and wanted to show you guys how I make it. These are the oats that I use. These are just the organic rolled oats. I just put them in a clear container because it takes up less space and it's more storageable. And I just boiled some hot water and I put my oats in there and I mixed. I use a little bit of water, or you can do almond milk. I like to add, or actually I use oat milk, but you can add that afterwards, whatever your preference is. I've been making oatmeal since I was in high school, so this is the same recipe, nothing is different. I would just add some ground cinnamon. Do that. That is my lemon water with cayenne and turmeric, and sometimes I'll even add ginger to that. So I love cinnamon. I usually put like kind of a lot. Like, that's good. And then I like to add peanut butter to my oatmeal. I think it gives it so much flavor and like a really thick consistency. And this is just dry roasted peanuts and salt. This is the Teddy's brand, so it's a really clean peanut butter. So I'm just gonna do like a little scoop of that. Do like that much. And we're gonna mix that around in a minute. And then I love to add a little bit of vanilla extract. I actually bought a vanilla, and the healthiest vanilla to get is the one without alcohol in it. But I don't know why. I don't know where that one went. I bought it, but I guess we can use this for now. This one does have alcohol, but if you guys want a healthier alternative, don't buy the one with alcohol. Just to add flavor, I'm going to do a little bit of this. Just like a little spoon cap of that. And then after I do this, I sort of stir it up into like this mix. And then it starts to create like its paste. Normally mine is not as watery, but you can just drain it a little bit. And as it sits, it kind of gets a little thicker. So I really like the way it tastes. And this is a really good before workout meal. I'm actually going to go work out right after this. It's 8:30 right now, and it doesn't want to focus. It's 8:30 right now, and I'm going to go work out. So this is a really good meal to have like right before you work out, right after you work out. It's high in protein, low in sugar, and it really gets your body feeling good right before workout or after workout, and it like replenishes you know, any muscle tears. And you can also add protein powder if you want. I use the Woman's Best protein, the vegan cookies and cream, but I think I'm just gonna have one of these shakes afterwards, so I'm not gonna incorporate that in my, I have like all my supplements up here, but I'm not gonna incorporate that in my oatmeal. But okay, so next we will just add some walnuts. I love to add nuts for like a crunchy taste. And then I'm gonna grab my maple syrup, and we're going to add that. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm just going to put some maple syrup on, because you can do maple syrup, honey. I've heard maple syrup is a little bit healthier than honey, so just using maple syrup for preference. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I ended up doing strawberries, blueberries, some banana, and red raspberries. And normally I won't do all four, but I just went food shopping, so I had all these fruits, and I've been really craving fruit. So I'm just gonna have a big bowl of oatmeal. And yeah, it looks so good. It's like my favorite ever. My favorite breakfast. I just made breakfast. I had pancakes, and then I made avocado toast. And I am going to, I just got ready. I worked out. I'm going to get coffee with my grandma and go for a little walk. It's nice out today in Massachusetts. It's starting to get a little cold out. I like to add this sauce, the sriracha, to my avocado toast. I think it makes it really yummy. It adds like flavor. And then I will also add the everything season blend. This stuff is so good. So I'll like add it to just a little bit. And then I just mix it in this little bowl. I think that like makes it the most efficient. I'll just add a little, sprinkle that. And you have breakfast. So good, so healthy, and so good. I literally love avocado toast. I've had it ever since I was like a baby. But yeah, so I have that. And then I wanted to show you guys, I just got this. Let's put you guys up here. Okay, so I have this water bottle and I filled it with water, and then I bought these raw powders. And so these are the moringa powder. I now work at a little grocery store and like a Whole Foods place, and it just teaches me so much. And I bought chlorella powder, and these are so good. They have so many benefits. It's just like suggested to mix it into like smoothies, water. You could do it in like oatmeal, yogurt, and they're really good. They have so many health benefits. So I mix it with water, and then I got some vitamins to show you guys what I've been taking. I've been taking the Daily Symbiotic, Probiotic and Prebiotic by Seed, and I really like them so far. They make my nails and hair grow really strong. And then I bought the BioSil. This is just the collagen. I've never heard of this. I've never even seen anyone take them, but they just look like they would work. They're vegan and they have really clean ingredients. So it's just a hair, skin, and nails, and it helps with like the collagen. I'm not taking anything for collagen, so that's why I really needed one of those. And then this is the chlorella. These are just little green tablets. They just look like that. They look kind of gross. Oh no. Yeah, these are really good, and I've only taken them once, so just started, and I've been taking this for a little bit. Spirulina. Spirulina is like a powder, really green. This is also green, and they have so many health benefits that you can. Where did that just go? I have spirulina powder. I used to put it in a smoothie, but when I don't have time to make a smoothie every day, I still want to get in my spirulina, so I have it in a pill form. So just going to have breakfast. There it is. Drink this, and then I'm gonna go get coffee. Yeah, it's like a little wavy. I mean, I don't know, we'll see. Took a shower after my workout. Listening to the Ed Milet podcast right now. Oh, that's a weird taste. The From Stress to Freedom with, what's his name? Peter Crone. It's a really good podcast. Everybody's been talking about it, and it talks about how it was a mind-blowing interview, and we are breaking from the barriers of time and space to help you manage stress, anxiety, and fear. No matter where you came from, no matter how your past has shaped you, Peter is challenging the so common disease of not being enough and teaching you how to reconcile your past so that you find freedom. There's nothing wrong with you. This interview is packed with exceptional steps to help you remove yourself from a state of fear and suffering and enter into a state of relaxation, calm, compassion, and joy. Whether you are rich, poor, young, old, a stay-at-home parent, entrepreneur, or professional athlete, this interview will change your life. So I'm 18 minutes in, and I'm just gonna finish that, eat my breakfast, and then go meet my grandma to go for a walk and get coffee. So that's just the plan as of right now. That's okay. Sounds good. No, they just have ice cream. I just was looking because it's new. At the vegan.
I don't know which one I want.
These are vegan. These are nice.
That's a vegan
From Auntie
cookie.
Kathy's kitchen, right?
Yes.
You know Auntie Kathy, where we get breakfast? She bakes good.
Yeah, her stuff is delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, the one. How much is one cookie?
Hi guys, so I just got back from the store. I wanted to show you what I got today. It's 5:30. I was just with my grandma. We went for a walk and I got coffee. We went to the store. We stopped into like a couple places and I didn't get too much, but Francescas was having a sale, so I got a couple Christmas gifts for people and a couple of things for myself. So first thing I got was this little well, not little but big. I got 2 coats. I got this big oversized coat with these buttons. It's really long and it's super cozy and it's just really cute to like throw on like over an outfit and kind of just like make it an outfit, like a statement, or you could just like wear it with sweatpants. You could wear it with anything you want. I thought it was so cute and it was $25 on sale. It's originally $80. So I thought it was also a good buy. The next thing I got was this little purse. I thought it was so cute. I don't have one like it, so I got this little mini one. I don't even know what I'll be able to fit in here because I always have so much in my purses. So, and then it has like this little strap. Yeah, I really just think this bag is cute for when I go out to dinner. And it's a really neutral color and it's just like mini and cute. So I got that. And then I didn't get too many other things, but I got 2 candles. So the first one I got was this paper white. It just smells really clean and it's like a clean Christmas candle, so it smells really good. And it's really pretty, like the way that it looks. And this just reminds me of like fresh, like I might put it in my bathroom. It's like very fresh smelling. And then yeah, I really like this one. I think it's so pretty. And then I got this one, and this is the volcano. I have this one, but I ran out of it, so I got it again. Obsessed with this candle. Like, if you know me, you know it's always burning in my apartment whenever you come in here. And if you don't have it, you have to get it because it smells so good. And they sell them at Francescas, Anthropology. They're getting more common places, so you definitely have to pick one up if you see one. And these are on sale for 40% off. So this was $30, so I got it for 40% of that. And actually, this perfume is from Francescas. I always spray it. I always think of it because I got it at Francescas. It's called Sage. If you guys don't have this, you have to get it. These are like the best little gems at Francescas because I used to work there last year, exactly at this year. I worked retail and I've worked like 101 jobs. Like, I've literally worked anywhere you could think. I've had like a gym, I've been a cleaning lady, I've done bartending, waitressing, retail, I work at a grocery store, I've nanny, help like the elderly with their home things. Like, I've literally just worked everywhere and had like all of that experience. But I worked retail 1 year ago today, and during the Christmas time, so I always would go into Francesca's and like that's where I was working, so I would always find like the little things that were so cute and like what sold out the most and stuff like that. So this was a perfume that I've always been obsessed with. Hair in my mouth. Ew. And it's called Sage and it's so cute and smells so good. It's like very fresh and like, I don't know, but I put a pizza in the oven, a vegan pizza, and it's beeping, so I have to go get that. But these were what I got at Francesca's. And my mom is coming here. We're gonna go run some errands. I have to edit a video. It's Friday. I think I'm just gonna like chill tonight. I don't have plans. I'm gonna work on my maxi, reviving it and stuff. And yeah, that's the rest of my night today. I just went and grabbed that coat. This is the other one. This is just like a mini little Sherpa. It was so cute and it's so cozy and it was on sale and I just like love the color and I think it like matches my clothes a lot. I have so many neutral colors, like I just love like neutrals, and I just thought it would match perfectly with the closet and it's really cute. I got this. I will link everything in my description for you guys. And yeah, I wanted to also say something really quick before I end the video. Today my grandma asked me to go get like a coffee and go for a walk. I didn't have that in my plan at all. Like, I usually like to plan out my days, and I really like to like be set with my plans and make sure that I get all my stuff done and, you know, things like that. But so she called me and she was like, "Do you want to like go for a walk?" Like, and I was like, yeah. Like, I sounded like a good idea and I really wanted to go. It was so nice out today, but I knew I had so much to do. And I was like, I don't think I can. But then I thought about it for a little bit, and I was like, I kind of like want to. It was so nice. I was like, I know I have like homework assignments and a video to edit, but it sounded like it would be a good idea, kind of. I don't know. So I gave her a call back and I was like, maybe I can make this like insightful. I remember I wanted to listen to a podcast like really bad, but I was like, maybe I can like ask her if I could listen to a podcast with her while we walk. Like, I don't think she'd mind. Plus I think she would like gain something from it. And I have been reading about the 80-20 rule, and I don't know too much about it. I'm just learning about it with our Maxi program, and we've just been talking about it a little bit here and there, and it's just a really good way to apply to your life. And it's basically just like, one part of it is whatever you think like the first thing you should do in situations, it's usually not that. So it's like, if I think that's right, like whatever you think your first instinct or your first thing to do is, there's like a much simpler way to do it. So it kind of gets your brain thinking in that aspect. So it just like gets you thinking outside the box like a lot. and then it goes to show how much like your ways of thinking aren't always the best ways, kind of. So it's really cool, and I'm still learning about it and reading about it, but I'm not sure if this applies to this situation, but that's just another aspect that I've been learning. So even if it doesn't, this was something I took away. I was just like putting people that you do care about like as a priority, because it is important. And if you didn't like for me, I couldn't spend all day with her, but I could give her some of my time. So I could give her like, I don't know, like half an hour of my day, and you know, that I probably would have found something else to do anyways. Like, and we got to go outside, and we were like, it was so nice out. We got coffee and caught up, and then now I'm back and I can kind of like do my stuff now. And it's like just about like planning and stuff, but definitely prioritize your loved ones, and prioritize just like, I don't know, anyone, like friends, texting them, like zooming with them, like checking in on them, making sure that they still know that they matter to you and stuff like that. It's just really important to, you know, do that as like a good friend, good sister, brother, etc. So yeah, with that all being said, I do think I'm gonna close off the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Vlogmas, I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas and staying in tune to everyone's Vlogmas as they're putting videos out for everybody. I know I like to watch them when I have time, and they're super like informative and fun. Whatever it is that you want in life, you can have if you put your mind to it. So I'm trying my best to post every single day, even though I have finals this week and I'm so busy. I'm still trying. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. You can follow my Instagram if you guys want at Vanessa.chiarella. Yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing night or day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.